welcome to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and if you are new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I am just going to be showing you a little haul that I picked up from HomeGoods as well as from Burlington Coat Factory. I am so impressed with the things that they had at Burlington, and honestly, the prices were a lot better than HomeGoods. I was really looking for some anti-fatigue mats for our kitchen as well as our laundry room. So I picked up two matching ones for our kitchen. However, when I tested it out by our sink, it didn't fit. So I'm going to do one return and I will pop a picture right here. I figured it would look really good in our laundry room. My husband said it was a little loud for the main area. So that is going to stay in our laundry room. I'm going to return one of them, but all of them were $13.99. Bless This Mess was by Wendy Bellissimo, and I got it for $13.99. I got all of the mats for $13.99, but I'm going to do the return. Thankfully, I was able to use my rewards from couponing to get some stuff for our home that I have just been really wanting to invest in. I was able to pick up this storage stackable baskets, and these are really cool. I haven't separated them yet. They're still attached, but they drop down so you can put the other one on top and it literally rests on the handle. So that is super nice. I'm wanting to redo our pantry and maybe put potatoes or onions inside of these baskets just to utilize the space on the floor or maybe the actual shelf. But our pantry, I've been doing a pantry challenge. If you have not been following me on Instagram, go check me out on there. I have just been really needing to empty out all the stuff from everything I've accumulated. So this is definitely going to help me see things a lot better. And the price on this was $12.99 for this basket. It would have been cool if I found the black ones, but they didn't have them there. Really excited to do my pantry and just make it look a lot better. It is a little chaotic and I love organizing, so look out for that video. It should be coming out once I get a handle on Adelina's nursery. That was a big project in itself. So next up, I was able to find a basket. I've been really wanting a basket to put our blankets in and just put it by the fireplace. So I picked this up for $12.99. I thought it was a really good price. It's really sturdy. They had a bigger one, but I just figured this size would probably accommodate our space a lot better. So that's why I picked this one up. And I'm super excited to show you how it's going to turn out. And I only picked up two things from HomeGoods. One of them, I've been wanting these forever. OXO pop containers. There's 5 in them, and I got it for $34.99. And on Amazon, they're going for around $51.99. So I figured this was a really good steal. They had some other containers at HomeGoods that were $7.99, but those were the individual ones that you could get to add to your collection. However, this was less than $7.99 a container. So I'm super happy and thankful that I was able to find it. The last thing that I did pick up from HomeGoods was this strainer. It's a stainless steel one. I got it for $4.99. I've been eating a lot of quinoa, and I didn't have a tiny strainer. The strainer that we have, it would honestly just make the quinoa fall through. So I've just been cleaning it in the pan and then rinsing it, hoping all the water comes out of it. But I'm super excited to rinse off my quinoa and probably find other purposes for it as well. So for those of you who don't know, I started 75 hard, so I'm really enjoying it. However, it has been a challenge mentally already, just trying to get in those workouts, especially with our schedule. And if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this video and all the items I picked up, definitely hit the subscribe button and visit me on Instagram. I would love to chat with you there as well. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.